Rushing with Elevate Roofing and Exteriors, and I'm here with Team Florida. If you live in Florida, you know that the weather is constantly changing as we're getting ready to get some rain even now. Storms come up, hailstorms, hurricanes, and we are the experts to help in any roofing need that you have. These guys, these professionals here, we know what to do, whether you're in Central Florida, South Florida, or you're even up in the Panhandle. You call us, 1-800-977-6638. It's our family protecting yours.